Hello, in this video I will show you an overview of the BookingPress My Bookings page. To get started, first log in as a customer. I've already signed in with a customer account. This is the BookingPress My Bookings page, which is also called the Customer Panel. This is the My Appointments page, where you can see all your booked appointments. BookingPress also includes multiple filter options, making it easier to manage and search appointment records. Now, expand the appointment details. Here, you can view the complete appointment information. Customers can manage their appointments from here by rescheduling or canceling them. These options can be disabled by the admin from the front side Customize Settings page. This is the Customize page. Now, open the Customer Panel tab. This is the Customer Panel Customize page. Here, the admin can configure Customer Panel options, including reschedule and cancel appointment settings. Once an appointment is completed, customers can book the same appointment again using the Repeat Booking option. Enable this option and save the changes. Changes have been saved successfully. Now, go to the My Bookings page and reload it. Now, hover over the appointment record and you will see the Book Again button. Now, expand the new appointment details and let's reschedule the appointment. Here, you can see the three options: Reschedule, Book Again, and Cancel Appointment. Click the Reschedule button and select a new date and time slot. After that, click the Update button. The appointment has been rescheduled successfully. See, the appointment date and time slot have been updated. Click the Book Again button to quickly book the same appointment again. Now, click the Cancel Appointment button. Enter the cancellation reason and click the Yes button, or directly click Yes to continue. The customer appointment has been canceled successfully. Now open the My Bookings page again. See, here you can view the updated appointment status. Now open the Edit Account page. This is the customer profile page, where customers can update their account details. Customers can also delete their account by clicking the Delete Account button. Now open the Change Password page. Here, customers can change their password. The last option is Logout. Click the Logout tab to sign out from the customer account. See, the customer has been logged out successfully.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.